Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, but it's been a while, and definitely want to get some things updated here as this pullback is getting pretty significant. When you consider that at one point not that long ago the price was actually up here right around $7.70, and now the price is all the way down there, essentially $1 lower. That's a good size pullback. Now I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that, but point here being that there's been a pretty deep pullback, and now the price is starting to get around some pretty important areas as far as the technical chart is concerned. And that main important area is right down here at about $6.65. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see this area had some times where it was acting as resistance. And this is just a foundational rule in charting, but when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you then want to see them act as support. And that is exactly what's happened. Acted as support right there, and then fast forward to the first 30 minutes of the day, once again acted as support. So that's kind of the long roundabout way of saying 665 is definitely a very important level going forward, because there's, like I said, quite a bit of history right around that level. In the event the price does not hold above 665, next key overarching level of support would be down around the $6.35 mark. So going forward into both Thursday and then Friday, again, near-term level 665, and then 635 would be that next overall level of support. In the event the price does start to bounce and show some signs of strength, the initial level of resistance that you would want to see the price fight back above is that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. So the 200 period right now valued at 684 would be that near-term level. For more of the overarching resistance area, keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average, right now valued at 720, but remember, moving average, so that value will move and change as the week plays out. So overall, yeah, things are looking a bit rough, but the price is now starting to enter into an area where there's been some nice bounces before, so we'll see if history can repeat itself or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.